This is a very old magnetizing unit that magnetizes the screwdriver. To simply magnetize the screwdriver, we put it inside a coil, and the coil is connected to 240 volts. This will magnetize the end of the screwdriver, so you can pick up anything that's made out of iron or steel. So now I'm going to take it apart and show you what's inside. This particular unit has 4 screws holding it together, and by simply taking the top off, you can see exactly what's inside. And there it is. Nothing special. The important part is the coil that's on the right hand side, the brown container. There is a switch. Now, it's something that you can quite easily make at home. All you need is the coil, and then need to connect it to the mains. Now, this particular unit does need to be earthed because the casing is made out of metal. Now I'm going to put it back together. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY on my videos, then please go on to my channel.